make sure you subscribe to this channel. Take your RGB LED, look at it. The way I have it, the second from the left, will be the ground. It is the longest. The other two are for particular colors, we'll say. Put it on the breadboard. And then what I do is I take a resistor. This one is rated at about 330 ohms. So you can use one about the same rating. And I'll put that on those 3 leads for the 3 different colors. Red, green, blue. And then for the second one, I'll get a jumper, a black one, so that I can know that it's my ground. And I'll just wire that one up. Make everything look as nice as I can. Then I'll wire up the other legs. So I'll just put the jumpers in on the breadboard. Real simple. Okay. Get it in there. Usually I would use the actual colors, but you know, right now I don't actually have those jumpers. I would have to look for them. I take my ground jumper and I get my Arduino and I put it in on ground. And then for the others, I would take the jumpers and I'm using 7, 6, and 5 for now. Okay, so you have your lead to your resistor straight into the Arduino, except for the second one from the left, which is ground. So of course, I'll start with declaring my pins. And we use 7, 6, and 5. So all I'm saying is I'm just sharing which number I want to use so I don't have to refer to the numbers in the future. Third pin equals 8. So you'll see right here when I do this, pin mode, first pin, right? Output. Okay, semicolon, never forget, save also. So what I'm saying is I want this first pin to be output. So from the Arduino board, it's going to be looking to push a digital signal out to the LED. I'll just copy these. I'm gonna show you how I really program, because some people, they're just gonna type it over and over. And if you're a beginner, I would suggest that you do that so that you could kind of get the muscle memory and the actual memory of how these functions go. So first pin out, second pin out, third pin out. And then what I could do is I could just toggle these. So digital, because I use the digital pins, I want to write the first pin high. Okay, so we can cycle through this. Then what we'll do is a delay after each one. So the program is going to wait, I'll say half a second. 500 milliseconds is half a second. Digital right, second pin. See, you get it now, right? High. But what I also want to do is turn off the previous pin. How do I do that? First pin low. So the first pin is going to go high, and this is how we can track our colors. First pin high. First, then it waits. First pin low. Then we turn the second pin high, and then we wait again. And then what do? we turn off the second pin. Ugh. And we turn on the third pin. See, this would be really difficult if I didn't assign these names to these pins. So then we want to write third high. Okay. And then we can wait again. And this is in loop, so then it's just going to loop. Save that. Make sure that our board is plugged in. And then we can go ahead and upload. I'll reset it so we can see which pin comes on first. And it looks like we have a problem. And I actually used pin 8 instead of pin 5. So I'll change that and upload again. Now if I didn't use the actual pin name, then I would have to find everywhere I used pin 8. But instead I just changed the number. Something is on at the same time. First pin high. I never turned off the third pin. So I need to turn off the third pin after we wait. Now the third pin goes off. First pin on, wait. Second pin on, wait. Third pin on, wait. Bam. One more time. And there you have it. So it's red, green, blue. We can just say that. Red, green, blue. Now, all we have to do is mix colors so that we can achieve all the other colors. But I won't do that right now, so make sure you subscribe to this channel for any updates, and we'll be coming back mixing colors.